Hello everyone, I am astrologer and life coach Demanvita and I came back with a new video in Vedic astrology in a new topic which is called the effect of Rahu in the 12 houses of the Kundali or the birth chart of any native. So before starting with this video, I would like to request you all that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the red bell icon below. Now I will start with the video. So what is Rahu in Vedic astrology? As per Vedic astrology, Rahu is one of the 9 major astronomical bodies or Navagraha. Unlike the other 8, Rahu is a shadow entity, one that causes eclipse and is the king of meteors as well. Rahu represents obsessions and desires in human beings. Hence, Rahu is considered the head of the Asura that became immortal after drinking nectar during Samudra Manthan, while Ketu is the remaining body in mythological story. It also indicates the karmic desires of the past and present of the native. Effects of Rahu in different houses. In Hindu astrology or Vedic astrology, Ketu is considered to be a shadow planet and is the descending lunar node. It is believed to have a powerful influence on individuals and is associated with spiritual awakening, liberation and detachment as well. It is also said to represent past lives and is often associated with karmic tendencies and unresolved issues. Now, what is the effect of Rahu in the 12 houses in a Vedic chart in all the 12 houses? I will explain now. So, Rahu in first house. Let's see what is the effect of Rahu in first house of the horoscope of a native. Now, in Vedic astrology, the positive effects of Rahu in first house is Rahu in the first house is the room of success. It helps one to get more success in life and fulfill their desires. It helps one to build more courage and be creative as well. The negative effects, on other hand, is Rahu in the first house may lead one to act illegally and immorally to follow their dreams. It generates an attitude for being superior towards oneself and dominating others. All in all, it governs all obsessions, desires, illusion and desperation to an extreme level. Now, the effect of Rahu in various houses for various Rashi are different is to be noted as well while predicting any effect related to the birth chart. Now, Rahu in the second house, positive effect. As for the second house, Rahu makes the individual financially affluent. Irrespective of their status, somehow they get to experience worldly comfort and luxury in life. They will mostly be surrounded by well-educated and socially privileged people. The negative effect of Rahu in the second house, on other hand, is the presence of Rahu in the second house will make the people or those natives spend the money unnecessarily on useless things. They might be harsh and impolite in their language. In some extreme cases, the native may also get into committing crimes as well. Now, Rahu in the third house, positive effect. Rahu in the third house will make one popular. These individuals are agile, positive and brave. They may be able to learn art of business and earn good money and good fortune in their life. They will be more active if they acquire a city life. The negative effect, on other hand, at times Rahu in third house may cause one to have evil thoughts, illegal cohabitation, secret life, ill health, obstacles, injuries in accidents, worries due to children and financial losses, and inability to lead an independent life. Married life can have minor issues and become monotonous for Rahu people having Rahu in the third house as well. Rahu in fourth house. The positive effect will be of this placement will be it provides power, acknowledgement and reputation to such people. The natives might experience sudden gains in king-like wealth, real estate, power and business. It also provides intelligence and wisdom to such people. Also, their relationship and marital life will be always loyal. The individual will likely to have a blissful personal life as well. On the other hand, the negative effect of Rahu in the fourth house will be Rahu in the fourth house always acts as malefic planet according to Vedic astrology. It makes an individual desirous and they have excessive impulsion to get a high position in the society, and to get this they tend to follow an unjust manner. They might lack sympathy and deep attachment towards others, raising anger issues and greedy behavior as well. Rahu in the fifth house. Positive effect. Rahu in the fifth house is quite helpful to become a successful actor, politician or sports person because it helps individual to be creative in life. Also, it makes the native expert in speculation as well. On the other hand, having Rahu in the fifth house also has certain negative effects. When Rahu is negative in the fifth house, it causes dissatisfaction, materialistic tendencies, fears, distorted mental stress and fantasies as well. Now, what is the effect of Rahu in the sixth house? The positive effect of Rahu in the sixth house is when Rahu gets into the sixth house, such natives may be very good in managerial abilities, because of which they can resolve conflicts very efficaciously. Usually, they are generous and also have a strong desire to serve others, especially those who are facing tough and difficult times in life as well. The negative effect of Rahu in the sixth house might share an unstable human relationship by such people with many such as domestic helpers, employees, maternal relatives and even friends, and such people may have issues and challenges in maintaining those relationships. Now, what is the effect of Rahu in the seventh house? If Rahu is placed in the seventh house, the positive effect of such placement gives a blissful life to such natives. Their life is filled with tones of emotions of love, affection, fondness and respect. Also, they have a well balanced and happy married life as well. Rahu is expected to bring financial success and profitability in their business endeavors. They will also experience unexpected financial gains through their lifetime as well. Now the negative effect of Rahu in the 7th house. The bad influence of Rahu in the 7th house fills the life of individuals with grief, painfulness, hardships and faithlessness. They may have a lot of hardships in life as well, which might create hurdles in their business as per Vedic astrology. Now, what is the effect of Rahu in the 8th house? The positive effect of placement of Rahu in the 8th house. Rahu in the 8th house always attracts wealth in one's life. They might possess a very high intuition and be good at making the right decisions in their life. Also, they possess a high intellectual power and are surrounded by well-educated people in their life. They are likely to work on high-risk work such as disaster managers, militaries, firefighters, criminal lawyers and secret investigators. The negative effect of Rahu in 8th house. Rahu in the 8th house is likely to give more problems than goodness. It may lead one to suffer from complexities like defamation and serious types of disgrace in life. They may even witness hurly-burly in their married lifetime and again. They are also likely to get deceived by others frequently as well. Now, what is the effect of Rahu in the 9th house? The positive effect of Rahu in the 9th house. Rahu in the 9th house provides individuals with high knowledge, be it spiritual or academic. It can make the natives affluent and have financial gains in their life as well. It also brings luck and fortune to one's life as well. The negative effect of Rahu in the 9th house as per Vedic astrology. Rahu in the 9th house is referred to as a difficult position in Vedic astrology for such natives. This might generate a high obsession to earn immense wealth in life. They are likely to get involved in an illegal act to fulfill their obsessions as well. This placement is bad regarding health problems for natives' father and life partner as well. Now, Rahu in the 10th house. Now, what are the positive effects of Rahu in the 10th house? If Rahu is placed in the 10th house in a native's horoscope, Rahu in the 10th house leads to a learned and adventurous life. One may travel far and wide in a foreign country. They feel more comfortable in the company of foreigners as well. This excellent business personnel is smart and clever, means such natives are very much smart and clever if they go for business profession. If they work hard in professional life, they also acquire a good rank in the society and worldly fame as well. The negative effect of Rahu in this house or in the 10th house is may be very much adverse as well. The individual though will get professional success but quite late in general. One may also develop a health problem in the head area as well. They might as well have a worried mind which may lead to weak mental health also. Now, Rahu in the 11th house of the horoscope of a native in Vedic astrology. What are the positive effects of this placement? Rahu in the 11th house may make one courageous, intellectual, affluent, and almighty. They might get their desires fulfilled without much hard work in general. Also, they are likely to be lucky in general, which may help them to get what they want in their life. The negative effect of placement of Rahu in the 11th house is that it may make such persons dishonest, arrogant, egocentric, and witty as well. They may cross any limits to get their desires fulfilled. Also, they tend to be very lazy at the same time as well. They might also show manipulative behavior at work or at home time and again. Now, effect of Rahu in the 12th house of any horoscope. Now, the positive effect of Rahu in the 12th house encourages an individual to use wasteful expenses on charity and social work as well. It might also bring name and fame into one's life or in the life of such people. They tend to be really sympathetic towards people and always stay on the front line to help others. On the other hand, on the negative side, Rahu in the 12th house can make an individual bear the financial penalty, fine, and loss of money or assets. As a result, it could be found that the nodes of the moon, Rahu, which is also known as the north node of the moon, and Ketu, which is also known as the south node of the moon, are considered to be powerful points in an individual's horoscope. Rahu is said to represent material desires or ambitions and worldly success as well, while Ketu is associated with spiritual growth, detachment, and liberation also. Now, as per astrology, I have given the description of Rahu in all the 12 house of the native. Now, what are the remedies can be done if Rahu is negative in the horoscope? The major remedy which could be done if Rahu is negative in any horoscope is that person can always worship Nag Devata or God Lord Shiva on Monday, and also offer milk and banana to Lord Shiva, any Lord Shiva temple as well. And apart from that, using Gomet stone can also help you to mitigate the negative effects of Rahu and act as a very genuine remedy if Rahu is really negative in your horoscope as well. Now, the positioning of Rahu in the horoscope should also be determined as per the understanding, because if the position is good in the horoscope, then the negative effects will be somehow diminished as per Vedic astrology. So, naturally, where Rahu is posited in the horoscope defines the area of the life where the person would feel lack of peace of mind as well in general. It will also give a strong desire to associate with the values of Rahu house and inability or fear to do so, and ultimately dissatisfaction to such person, leading to negative effects as well. Such people have a lot of mental unrest associated with the house where Rahu is positioned in the horoscope also. Now I came end with the video of Rahu in all the 12 houses in a horoscope as well. Now I would also give you some more information in this video about the planet Rahu. That is, if you are running through the Mahadasha of Rahu at any point of time in your life, you will surely see the experience of Rahu in general, which are both positive and negative in your life as well. And if you find most of the effects positive as per in your life as per Vedic astrology, then you must be sure that your Rahu is placed in a very positive manner in your horoscope, and is also Yoga Karaka as well in your Kundali also. Now it is to be noted that Rahu also denotes ambition, fear, pleasures and uncultured behavior, and gives unexpected and sudden results in life to such natives who have Rahu in various houses in the horoscope with respect to its position in the horoscope. Rahu, on the other hand, on negative side, can also bring unexpected losses, misfortune, failures and frustrations in a life of a person, but at times bestows the native with worldly comforts, love, pleasure, unexpected success, luxury gains, riches and powers of life. If Rahu is placed in a benefic position in the horoscope of a person as well. When Rahu gets placed in auspicious position in a horoscope, it gives victory over enemies, but one never gets satisfied by riches and manifestation of desires in life. Thus, native with strong dominant Rahu feel free from affliction in horoscope, never gets their desire and ambition fulfilled, especially materialistically. Now I came to an end with the video of Rahu, effect of Rahu in all the 12th houses of the Kundali, and I will again come with a new video in Vedic astrology very soon to provide new kind of information, new and more useful informations to you in general. So till that time, thank you, stay happy, goodbye.